Hello and welcome again. In this session I'm going to show you how to configure firewall via group policy. So you just apply the policy from group policy management and all the computers will take that policy, and you don't have to worry about the configuration, and the communication happens between SCCM server and SCCM client computers. So we just have to go to domain computer. On domain you have to click on tools and group policy management. Then you expand this forest lab.com, expand labs.com, and then right click on lab.com and create a group policy in this domain and link it here. So basically we are creating one policy on the domain level, so it will be applied on all the computers whichever connects with the domain. So SCCM firewall policy and click OK. Now right click on this SCCM firewall policy because it's a blank policy. I'm gonna right click on this and edit. Now we'll go to policies. Inside policies we need to go to Windows settings and then security settings and then firewall, Windows firewall. Then right click on inbound rule and new rule. We need to configure a couple of inbound rule and outbound rule. So inbound, we'll click on predefined and then choose file and printer sharing. Next, allow the connection, finish. So these are the rules which has to be present on all the computers. So inbound port should be enabled on all the computers. Then again right click on inbound rule, new rule, choose predefined and choose WMI. Basically WMI is the query language, so you have to make sure WMI port is enabled so that SCCM server can query the computers through WMI query and take all the inventory data from the client server and update it to the database. So next, allow the connection, finish. Then outbound rule, right click, new rule and choose predefined, and we need to take file server. So file and printer sharing should be present in inbound plus outbound, but WMI should be present only on inbound port. So allow the connection, finish. Then these are the inbound and outbound rules created for file and printer sharing and WMI, Windows Management Instrumentation. Now we need to create a couple of inbound rules for SQL Server, otherwise SCCM will not be able to talk to SQL Server. So right click on inbound rule, new rule and port, and next type in 1433. Next, allow the connection, next, SQL port 1433. So we are going to create this inbound rule so that SQL will open this port, finish. One more inbound rule, port, next, port number is 4022. Next, allow the connection, next, domain plus private plus public, next, and 4022, finish. Now these rules are created. Now to verify whether these rules are applied or not, you can just go to command prompt and type in gp update force. When you do gp update force, what happens? It will apply the policy, whatever the policies are applied through group policy. Then you can go to run and type in firewall.cpl and go to advanced setting and choose inbound. You see SQL port 1433, 4022, file and printer sharing, and WMI. All of them are applied successfully. Now it will apply on other computers as well. Either you do GP update /force manually or restart those computers. So I just restarted all these computers, and I'll just verify whether the policies are applied or not. So I'll go to firewall.cpl and I'm going to click on advanced settings and click on inbound rule. You see SQL port 1433, SQL port 4022, both of them are applied on this Windows 10 computer. So very good. I want you to perform the same task at your end, and we'll meet you in the next session. Thank you.